Alright, so today we're gonna have some harder binomial expansion examples. So let's go ahead and start. Say you have square root of 4 plus x. Now you can see, well, let's do the first obvious step, and that's that. You can see here already that this is not in the form of 1 plus x to the power of n. So that's the first thing you have to do, is put it in that form. So you take out a 4. Sorry. So yeah, when you take out the 4, that's just to the power of a half, and you can take out the 4 out of the bracket. So now you go on and do it like you would do any normal binomial expansion question. So you have 1 plus nx, so that's 1/2 times x over 4, plus 1/2 minus 1 over x over 4 squared over 2 plus so yeah, I mean, these questions are pretty straightforward. You just calculate. This would be done more easily using a calculator. And so yeah, half times a negative a half, that's a negative 1/4, divided by 2, that's negative 1/8, times 1 over 16, that will give us negative x squared over 128. Realize that this is basically an approximation of this expansion, so this would go on off to infinity. So yeah, 4 to the power of a half, that's just simply 2. So you have 2 plus x over 4 minus x squared over 64, and then the terms go on towards infinity. So yeah, that's a pretty arbitrary example, pretty easy, but again, it's useful for C4 A-level maths, C2 A-level maths. And yeah, so yeah, let's do another example now. Let's do the example 1 over 2 plus 3x squared. Now this is a more involved question. We have to do sort of all the things we've done before. Take out the 2, that's the first thing you do. Put it into the standard form for a binomial expansion question. So yeah, now you expand this as you would always. 2 to the power of, oh no, sorry, that's 2, so that'll be a 4. So yeah, 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 x squared over 2, and this again goes towards infinity. So again, you just collect the terms here. It's all pretty easy. I mean, nothing particularly hard. So yeah, I've calculated these values before, because I don't want to stand here using my calculator. But yeah, I mean, you would just shove these into the calculator and they'll give you the answers you need. So yeah. Again, these are pretty easy examples, pretty straightforward stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for upcoming uploads. I'll be uploading a calculus series soon on elementary differentiation, integration, all the different techniques you can use, tricks for certain integrals, etc. So yeah, check us out at simplifyingmaths.com. Subscribe, follow us on Twitter, and yeah, just check it out.